Okay, first let me introduce our company first for your reference. We are block manufacturing, uh, which is from 1989 years. It has been around 30 years since we started our block manufacture business in this field. We have exported over 130 countries and helped many customers started and expanded their block business. The customers are all over the world, but South America, Africa, and some other countries. That's our very big market. Our customers who are using our machine give us very good feedback on our machine quality, on our service, on our machine performance. I'm here to say holding this live show to show you what kind of equipment we are supplying, how the equipment works, and some questions from customers who just want to start this business, and how to upgrade to another block machine. Okay, today I will introduce some information from 3 points. First, I would like to show you our company information, like video, to show you how to make a block machine in our factory, and also show you our factory how big and how professional we are, so you can rest assured if you are ready or you plan to get one block machine to start your block business. Second, I will introduce part module of all of our block machine model. You know, we are supplying many modules with different capacity, different size, different price. So there are some very popular modules. So today I would like to introduce one or two or three of all block machine module for your reference. The 3 point is the block. You know, the block machine is used to make blocks. So what kind of block of our machine can make is also very important point. So today I will going to show you these 3 points. First, I would like to show you some information of our factory. There's a video, let me show you.
Qingdao HF Industry is one quality company. Stock code is A01080, which integrated research, production, and sales of standard block production lines, insisting on innovation, integrity, and quality. Supplying its full strength for the new city construction. Since 1989, Qingdao HF Industry has been focusing on research and development of international leading block machine as we manufacture business covers an area of 2 million square meters. 100,000 square meters. We supply with short and adaptized strength steel and special welding technology, extremely strong, chromium plating of the guide column to make a good communication control system, which can adjust any action in all directions.
Connecting to the storage hopper of block making machine. After batching machine and cement scale of loading complete, it will be weighing again and waiting for next cycle. Storage hopper of block machine will sand concrete the feeder card according to time setting the control box. Mixing order start. Make the concrete evenly fill feeder card.
Hello friend, welcome to our lab. Today we are going to show you our block machine production line. Hello, welcome Janka.
Pigment was mixed by mixer. Transported by belt conveyor to the storage hopper of the color machine. Head mold rises up to the top position, down mold to the bottom position. Feeder card back several times. Vibration motors working with 20 to 30 Hz. Feeding concrete into the down mold. Feeding finished. Feeder card returned to back position. Head mold pressed down. Touch the down mold lightly. Then rises up to top position. Counter machine decking to bottom position. Hickman feeder card running forward and back several times. Feeding pigment to top of paper, then return to back position. Head mold pressed down. Vibration motors working with 48 to 50 Hz. Driving vibration blocks provide big force warming the blocks. After finished, counter machine rises up to top position, taking enough space that the paper with pellet can easily come out. Down mold rises up to top position. Then the blocks came out from the mold. Stand on the pellets. Pellet sanding machine sand one empty pellet. Push the blocks with pellet to the block conveyor. Block machine would be next cycle. Stacker will carry 3 pallets of blocks put onto the shelf. It can stack 5 to 8 floors depending on the height of paper.
Hello friends, this is Angie from Qingdao HF Block Machinery. Welcome to our live show. This is a video to show you how one block production line works.
Every action
Hello
block
friend.
pressure, working time,
Hello,
all
Alan.
can be set.
Welcome to our live
Speed
show.
of control box. After 24 hours, initial curing finished. From stripping by manual, block stacking together, a late conversation. 28 days can be sold. Pallets recycling for use.
Hello, so this is a video to show you how one fully automatic production line to make blocks. You can see there are many equipment in this production line from wheel loader, benching, mixer, hose machine, forklift. So I would like to introduce each equipment for you one by one. Okay, let's see some sample here. This is a simple we made for production line. First, there will be a wheel loader. To put the raw material to the benching machine. Okay, to the benching machine. Then the benching machine there's a detailed and complicated technology, and the raw material will be transported by conveyor belt to one hopper, and then the raw material will be transferred to the mixer. This part there's a conveyor belt, but if you don't need it, the raw material can be loaded from this part to this hopper directly. In this way, it can help you save some cost. You know, even one conveyor belt, there's also cost for you. So for this part, you can choose which one you prefer. From this to mixer, or from this to conveyor belt, then to mixer. Both are okay. Next, there will be mixer. Mixer is mixing the raw material. The raw material, you can see some small stones, sands, and this is cement silo. If you use bulk cement, then the cement silo and related equipment such as screw conveyor, cement scale will be needed, and they will equipped with mixer together. So the bulk cement will be transported by the screw conveyor to the mixer. Also, the sand, the small stone will also be transported to the conveyor in this way. So these three raw material will be mixed in the mixer inside. There's a time control system for the water, so you can rest assured and no need to consider the water issues. Just let it work, and the water control system will control water volume automatically. Okay, the raw material will be mixed enough in this part in mixer. Then the raw material will be transported from mixer to the host machine. Yeah, this is another conveyor belt. This conveyor belt is is necessary and cannot be removed. The below part is a pallet mixer, a pallet feeder, pallets, GMT pallets, or some other material pallets will be feeded from this part to the host machine. The raw material will be transferred from mixer to the hopper. Okay, to the hopper, then the host machine will start to work. You know, for all of our concrete block making machine, they are making blocks by vibration. The raw material will be in the hopper first, then some people control the PLC control box here and let the raw material to the material feeder box. Then they feed in the raw material to the block mold, and through vibration, then the blocks can be made from here. This part is a color feeding system, and there's a small mixer for pigment, or for pigment. The pigment will be fed in this color feeding system, and then in this way you can make 2-layered color pavers. Yes, and this color pavers, hollow blocks can all be made. Okay, then after the block being shipped, then it will be transported to this part. This is a block conveyor. The conveyor will transport the blocks out, and then this is a stacker will stack the pallets layer by layer. So stacker can layer blocks 4 layers or 5 or more. It need to be discussed with engineer if you have any special requirement. So after they be layered together, the forklift will transport the layered blocks and then transport them to some other carrying area. Okay, dear, this is a fully complete automatic production line. But some customers are just start this business, so sometimes they want to get a small production line. For this production line, because you know different block machine models has different production capacity. Basically, for this kind of fully automatic production line, the production capacity is big, not small. So for some customers who just want to start this business, we have some other smaller models and simple production line for them to help them start the business first and then upgrade to a bigger production line if they need. Welcome to our live showroom. This is Angie from Qingdao HF Block Machinery. Today we are introducing our block machine. Okay, just as I shared today, I will introduce 3 parts. First, the company information. I just shared a video for some customers' reference. Next, this is a catalog. From the catalog, you can see there are many workers in our factory. Also, we have many colleagues in our sales department. So any questions you have, you can feel free to let us know. No matter which colleague support you, they will give you very professional advice and can recommend one suit machine based on your requirement. Okay, the second point is to introduce part of most popular models for your reference. So for some customers who want to start this business, I recommend a small automatic production line QT416. Okay, this one is a small production line. Even some customers think it's still bigger to them, but actually it's a small production line. You see, it's not complicated. Because as I showed the fully automatic complete production line, there are many equipment included. From the picture you can see for this production line there are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 equipment are included. Okay, let me show you how this production line works and how what kind of equipment is included in this production line. Okay, this one, from the beginning, there's a small mixer. Can you see? There's a small mixer. Can you see? Yeah, this is a small mixer. Because different production line has different production capacity, so the mixer also have different models. For some small production line, there's a pan mixer, but for some big production line, just as I showed, it's a kind of big mixer to make sure the raw material can be mixed enough and the capacity is enough for the host machine to make the blocks. This is a small production line, so the mixer is a pan mixer, also not big. There's a pan mixer, then there's a conveyor belt to transport the raw material to the host machine. There's a hooper on the top, so raw material will be transported into this hooper. Then there's a small conveyor belt and then transport the raw material to the material feeder. The material feeder will be feeding, the raw material in the material feeder will be feeding into the block mold. You see there's a block mold, and via vibration then the blocks are shipped and transported by the block conveyor to this pot. Then the stacker will stack the pallets layer by layer. So it's simple, right? It's a very simple production line, not very complicated. So this why I recommend this production line to start the block business. There are three reasons. First, this is a simple production line. The total cost is not so high. Because some customers just start this business and are not too familiar to run this business, and they need to expand one step by one step. Because it's not big, also cost is not too high, so it's very easy to take away this kind of machine. Second, this block machine is very cost effective. Why I said this, that's because even it's a small production line, it's an automatic production line. You see, there's a PLC control box. All the operation can be operated on PLC control box, and the full production line can work. Almost is the whole machine working can be controlled by PLC control box. No need more workers. So even a little worker and in a small land, you can build a block factory. And second, the cost effective. This is one reason because it's even it's small, but it's automatic. There's another reason, because for this production line, we still equipped with many world famous brands like Siemens brand PLC control system, PLC touch screen, Siemens brand touch screen, and some famous brand like Schneider, Omron, and the electrical parts inside to make sure the block machine can be in a very good quality. Also, in the future, even in any case, you can find the spare parts from local market. This is another very good point to purchase this production line. Also, there's report. This production line is simple and no need to professional engineer to operate it. It can be operated very easily. Welcome to our live show. Can be easily because there's only one worker need to control the PLC box is enough. The second person can control the raw material and put the raw material to the mixer. Okay, then there are two workers transport the blocks from this part to the block occurring area. Welcome to our live show. JB, yeah. Welcome to our live show. This is Angie from Qingdao HF Block Machinery. Today I'm introducing the block machine of our company for your reference. So feel free to leave any messages, questions you have below. We will have very professional colleagues to support you and help you to know more about our machine and get one very suitable machine for yourself if you need it. Okay, this is the small production line, very simple production line from the mixer, conveyor belt, PLC, post-memory stacker. Even it's small, and it has the main part of one production line. So mixer, conveyor belt, host machine is very necessary in one production line. But if you can purchase from your local market and don't need us equip this full production line, you can remove some parts and only order some parts, like only order host machine, only order mixer, yeah. Anyway, any requirements from your side, we will meet it. We will try our best to support you. Okay, this is a small production line which we recommend for customers who just started this business. Okay. Next, for this production line, it won't occupy too much big land. Only around 1,500 square meters is enough for all factory. Not only for the block machine. You know there still need some raw material area, block curving area, and control box area like this. I mean 1,500 square meter land for all production factory. Also for the office. Okay. This part is some capacity of some popular blocks. Basically, the standard hollow block is 8-inch hollow block. It can make around 5,000 pieces per day, 8-hour shifts. Okay, if it can meet your requirement, your demand for the capacity, you can let us know, and we can share many pictures, videos for your reference. You know, because this model is very simple for customer to start the business with, so there are many customers who want to start this business and purchase this model. You can let me know which country you are in. We can share our customers' contact information with you, and you contact them, and then you visit their factory to see the machine performance directly. Okay, just leave your message, leave your information, and we will continue and share more information for your checking. You know we have many working videos for this production line. The works very stable and make blocks very beautiful. Oh, there's one advantage point. It's an automatic production line. Also, it's with hydraulic pressure system. So, if you plan to make 2-layered color pivots, this will be a very good choice. Welcome to our live showroom. Okay, next I will going to show you another production line, QT16 or QT6. Okay, just from the picture you can see this production line is bigger than QT416, which one I just introduced. Yes, it's a medium complete fully automatic production line. You can see there are more equipment included in this production line. There's a benching, big mixer, conveyor belt, hose marine stacker is the fixed equipment. Only benching mixer and mixer is different. Because QT16 is a bigger production line with high capacity, so the raw material need to be mixed by a bigger mixer, and only in this way they can meet the full production line capacity requirement. Okay. There's a batching machine. Batching machine will batch the raw material in a very good ratio first. So customer no need to put raw material and weigh the raw material and consider how much I shall put. The batching machine will help you solve these questions. It's also automatic equipment. Also, then the batching machine will batch the raw material, and the raw material will be transferred into this hopper, this small hopper, then to the mixer. The mixer will mix the raw material with water. Will be enough. Then the raw material will be transferred machine. This host machine is the size is bigger than QT460. Also, so the capacity is also high than QT460. But then you still can see there's a pressure, hydraulic pressure system station, a PLC control box, touch screen. Then still the blocks will be made by vibration by the block mode. Then will be transferred outside and staggered by layer by layer. For layer 3 layer, if you have special requirement for the layers, we can discuss with our engineer and find one good solution to meet your requirement. Okay, this is a medium production line. For this production is also very popular, especially in Mexico, in Jamaica, like this kind of South America countries. We exported many production lines to there, and it works automatically, and almost no need workers to operate it, because once you set the procedure on the PLC control box, they can do the procedure by itself, and yes, only need some worker transport the blocks from the block machine to the area directly. For this production line, as you see, there are more equipment included, so the land will also be needed to be bigger. About 3,000 square meters land is needed for a whole block factory. This is a production capacity for reference. You see, for this side, 8-inch hollow block, it can make around 9,000 pieces per day, 8-hour shifts. Some customers also was wondering how many hours for one production line can work. Actually, it can work even over 24 hours. But you know, workers need to be rest. It will depend on your demands, based on your decision. So no need to worry about the machine work time. Okay. This is a second production line I introduced to you. This is a medium. You see, even it's a fully complete, fully automatic production line, it's still a medium production line. I'm going to show you a bigger. It can be called big production line. This is QT12. It's almost the same production line as QT6 because the equipment which is included are almost the same. Just the capacity is kind of different because QT12 is with more higher production capacity, so it will need more raw materials. So the benching machine is bigger than the one for QT46. And also there's a pellet stacker in this production line. Actually, there's also a pellet stacker in QT6 production line, but it's optional. Why I say this? Because it can be removed from the production line. Just it can help save 1 or 2 workers to put the pellets to the pellet box. Because you know, it's a big production line, the size of host machine is big, so the panel size is also big. For QT412, the panel size is 1,350 millimeters plus 900 millimeters is a big panel. Also, if the thickness is not enough, thickness of panels is not enough, there will be bending, so it will affect the blocks. Finally, the block quality is not so good, so the thickness is also enough. In this way, so the total weight of one panel will be heavy. That's why there's a automatic pallet feeder. It can make full production more automatically. No need workers to put the pallets to the feeder box. Okay, it's similar production line, but for the host machine has four vibration motors to make sure the vibration is very high capacity and can make blocks in very good quality. Okay, from the below chart you can see the capacity of this module is very high. For 8-inch hollow block, it can make 12 pieces per mode per cycle, and total around 16,000, 16,000 8-hour shift. It's per day production capacity. You see, it's a big production line and with big production capacity. So if you already have one block machine and want to upgrade your block machine and make more big block factory, this QT412 is also a very good choice. Welcome to our live show. This is Angie from Qingdao HF Block Machinery and introduce our block machine now. Okay, I already introduced the block machine models, 3 sets, small, medium, big, and some difference between them. So you know the block machine is not big difference because some equipment are confirmed, are fixed, like the stander, the host machine, the mixer, conveyor belt. But there are still some equipment are optional, like pallets. Actually pallets are needed for one production line. The blocks need to be shipped on the pallets, but the material of the pallets can be chosen. Now we are supplying GMT pallets. It's very cost effective, but some customers think it's not good to us. No problem, you can remove from the production line. So if you can let us know which production line you are interested in, then we shall share detailed price list with its more information of each equipment, price of each equipment, total cost for 4 production lines for your checking. Just leave your messages, leave your questions on our website or below. There are our very professional colleagues to support you, share more information for checking. For this product line, is also very popular in Mexico, in America, some African countries. Yeah, our customers who are using this production line give us very good feedback. So after introducing our block machine, next I'm going to introduce some blocks our machine can make. Different countries, there are different popular blocks, but most of them are common, same, like 2-hole hollow blocks. 8-inch, 6-inch, 4-inch are very popular in many countries. Next, I'm going to show you some block sample here, and you will see what kind of blocks our block machine can make. Okay, let me show you. Hello friend. Welcome to our live show. This is Qingdao HF Block Machinery live showroom. Any questions? Just leave your message, okay? Okay. From the this location, you can see there are many blocks can make by our block machine. Most common is the hollow block, just like this one. Hollow block, pivot, solid block, and yeah. For the hollow block, there are 3 holes, 2 holes. You can see this part 4 holes. The thickness of the side can be revised, can be requested by customers if based on their local popular block type. Okay, this is one 3-hole hollow block. You can see the bottom is different. Some one is closed, some one is open. Also, it can be broken in 2 half block. Yeah. Some situation half block is also needed, so we can make it in this cuts, and it can cut in 2 when you need it. Some solid brick. Solid brick is very easy to make. Even our smallest block machine, it can still make it very beautiful. Okay, some like this kind of hollow block. It's a bigger hollow block. Actually, it will need another equipment, block cutter equipment, and cut the blocks from this part. Then the surface will be like natural. Okay, there's seems no that kind of blocks here. Yeah, you can see it can be cut from the middle part, and then the surface will be like natural. Some customers request this kind of blocks. Okay, this kind of some hole, 2 hole, but it's a round hole. 4 and some different. This is a very special hollow block. Actually, it can put EPS included, so it will be EPS block like this one. EPS block is very popular to keep temperature from the cold, keep warm from cold. Our block machine also can make it, just it need block type more bigger, from QT5 and above bigger block machine can make this EPS blocks. And some pivots. You see, it's a common Holland pivot. This pivot is very popular in different countries because it's very easy to make, and you can see it's 2 layered. Can you see it? Sorry. Yeah, it's 2 layered. The color on the surface and the bottom is all cement raw material. Only hydraulic pressure system equipped block machine can make this kind of pivots. Only pigment on the surface. In this way, it can help customers save cost on the pigment. You know, even pigment, the cost is not low. Okay, this is a solid brick with logo on the surface. This kind of brick is very popular in Bangladesh, in India, in Pakistan. It's very popular there, and we also have many block machines there. Makes this brick seem very good, beautiful. This is a GMT pellet sample. You can see there it's. Can you see it? It's some white things included. It's glass fiber. It's made by rubber and glass fiber to make it in high capacity and in very good quality. It's very cost effective because it can be used over 7 years to 8 years. Many customers, after using our GMT pellets, they are becoming our distributor for them. Okay, these GMT pellets, sorry. Okay, this part are some pavers in different shape and with the color on the surface. These pavers are mainly used for the parking for the land. Okay, let's see this part. These are also some very special blocks. Like this one is EPS blocks. Put EPS inside. Actually, there will be a EPS feeding equipment to be equipped on the host machine, and put EPS on the EPS feeding equipment. Then the EPS feeding equipment and feed the EPS into the block mold. Then the raw material will be transported to the block mold, and while vibration and shape, this kind of block can be shaped. These are some Hodi blocks. It's very popular in Africa. Hodi block, you can see 3 different size hollow block. Hodi block, 3 holes. Also, these are some EPS blocks. This is a very special blocks, but our machine can still make it. So, no matter what kind of special blocks you plan to make, just leave your message, leave your picture to let us check. Our block machine can make various blocks in very good quality. You can see the surface is natural surface, and it's very beautiful. Also, this is pavers different shape. And still with color on the surface. You see? Still with some color on the surface only. And the below the bottom part is still cement. And yeah, the cement, no colors here. This is zigzag paver. Actually, the paver can be made in color with 2 methods. First one is the color on the surface. You see, color on the surface only. It can help save the cost of the pigment. The next one is to make a color pavers whole piece. You can see not only on the surface, also whole piece block are in colors. Then because the pigment will be mixed in the raw material, in the whole raw material, and then the blocks made by that raw material and produced like this in whole piece. Basically, hydraulic pressure system equipped machine can make this two-layered pivots, but some simple production line. I mean simple production line than QT416. Semi-automatic manual operation brake block machine can make this kind pivots. But you can rest assured for all of our block machine can make pivots, can make color pivots, can make hollow block bricks, some special like this one, some special pivots, and some other special blocks. Okay. After introducing, I'm sure you already know the blocks, what kind of blocks made by our machine very well. Also know our block machine very well. But if you still have some questions, you want to know more about the blocks, about the block machine, about some other issue like cost, you can leave message below. Welcome, Kakoko. Welcome to our live show. Okay, for some customer who just into our live showroom, maybe they are not too familiar about our block machine. Next, I will share a video of block machine for your reference.
Firstly, motors made raw material from storage yard, the chopper of Benjamin. Then, machine starts working. According to the set data in control box, using belt conveyor and air cylinder, send raw material into the weighing hopper. After weighing, the belt conveyor of weighing hopper and mixer start working. Send raw material into the mixer. Mixer starts. At the same time, cement screw conveyor starts. Sending cement into cement scale for weighing. After that, the starch door opened by air cylinder. Cement falling to mixer. Water pump starts. Controlled by time. After around 90 seconds mixing, raw material become concretes. Discharge door of mixer opening. Concrete fall onto the belt conveyor and be sent into the storage hopper of block making machine. After batch machine and cement scale of loading complete, it will be weighing again and waiting for next cycle. Storage hopper of block machine will send concrete to feeder car according to time setting the control box. Mixing motor start. Make the concrete evenly fill feeder car. At the same time, pallet and machine start. Add pallet one by one piece into the pallet sending machine. Pigment was mixed liner. Transport belt conveyor to the storage hopper of the color machine. Head mold rises up to the top position. Down mold to the bottom position. Feeder car run forward and back several times. Vibration motors working with 20 to 30 Hz. Feeding concrete into the down mold. Feeding finished. Feeder car return to back position. Head mold press down. Touch the down mold lightly. Then rises up to top position. Counter machine decking defined position. Hickman feeder car running forward and back several times. Feeding pigment to top of paper, then return to back position. Head mold press down. Vibration motors working with 48 to 50 Hz. Right Sliding vibration blocks provide weak force forming the blocks. After finished, color machine rises up to top position, making enough space that the paper with pellet can easily came out. Then mold rises up to top position. Then the blocks came out from the mold, stand on the pallet. Stacker will carry 3 pallets of blocks put onto the shelf. It can stack 5 to 8 floors depending on the height of paper. Then forklift carry and transport the queuing area. Every action run times, pressure, working time, all can be set in the touch screen of the control box. After 24 hours, initial queuing finished. From stripping manual, block stacking together, to late conversation, 28 days can be sold. Pallets recycling from reuse.
Okay, dear. So, any questions? You have any block type you want to know? Just leave messages on our website. Okay, thanks for your